For years, designers around the world have used drawing boards, and in this video we're taking a look at what has to be one of the cornerstones of design in the modern era, the Ackworth Counterweight drawing board. Welcome to Orchard. We make creative products for creative people in almost every industry you can imagine. From right here in Yorkshire, we manufacture and ship to our amazing customers all around the world. So hit the subscribe and bell icon. How's it going? I'm Matt, and in this video we're taking a look at the Ackworth Counterweight drawing board. So one question I get all the time is, do people still use drawing boards? This is the kind of thing they're usually thinking of, and the answer is yes. Okay, so the Ackworth is a freestanding drawing board with an A-frame stand, and we're going to take a closer look at the counterweight version. There is an alternative crosswire version, and I'll talk about that a bit later. So counterweight refers to the type of parallel motion, and in this case it means that there are weights connected to the wires which balance the straight edge and help control the movement up and down the board. It makes it easy to move the straight edge, and also swapping your drawings is super simple. The straight edge itself is a white aluminium rail with a transparent blade which has been precision machined for accuracy. With its A-frame stand, it gives you height and angle adjustment, so you can position your board exactly where you want. It also folds away and slides off if you need to store or transport your drawing board. This is great and is the main feature of the Ackworth, as it's nice and sturdy whilst being light enough to be easily moved around. So the Ackworth is available in three sizes, starting at the smallest for A2 paper and going to the largest for A0 paper. The middle one, the A1, is by far the most popular, as it's a very common size of paper for architecture and design. The A1 also gives you plenty of breathing space if you find yourself working on anything smaller. As I mentioned earlier, there is another version of this drawing unit, which is fitted with a different type of parallel motion. This is the Ackworth Crosswire, which comes in all the same sizes, but with a more compact, continuous wire system. If you want to find out more information about this one, then click the link up here, or down in the description. So to sum up then, if you're after either an A2, A1 or A0 freestanding drawing board, and you're likely to change drawings often or work for several hours at a time, then the Ackworth Counterweight is probably the one for you. We make them right here in the UK and build them to last with a lifetime warranty. If you like our products and videos, then please show us some love in the comments and hit the like and subscribe buttons so you'll know when we upload something new. Thanks for watching.